All right, I just picked up this vent right here on Amazon. Absolutely fantastic quality. Seems to be kind of powder coated. Anyway, on the outside of my house, I've got exhaust vents. So these are all exhaust vents. This particular one is an intake vent, but this vent actually works for exhaust or intake. You can use it for either. And I'm just gonna see if we can get in there. See the mesh screen right there? That's the kind of mesh screen you want to keep insects from getting out of an intake vent. You need a fine mesh screen on intake vents. On exhaust vents, you don't need a mesh screen that's as fine as that, but absolutely fantastic. Now, there's a little door right here, so you can use that as an exhaust vent. And there's a nice little door with a seal on it, and that door opens up and closes. I just cut that door off because I'm using this for an exhaust vent, so you don't want this, an intake vent, so you don't want this on there when you're using it for intake. This is what my old unit looked like, and that's plastic, right? And we have hail here, you know, golf ball size hail, so you can see all the damage on there from the hail. You can't be using plastic hood vents like this on the exterior of the home, and you can see those openings are way too large for an intake vent. You're going to have all kinds of insects getting in there. In fact, when I popped this off, up inside, there was two wasp nests, two active wasp nests, and a giant muddopper nest that was clogging up about 25% of the intake of this particular vent. So we took care of that. Anyway, it's absolutely fantastic, totally sealed all the way around. You can see I've got a galvanized block that comes out, and this thing kind of really lines up nicely with that galvanized block. The screw spacing here is 5.5 inches. So the screw pattern is 5.5 inches, which is, you know, fairly typical, but you're gonna wanna check that.